purpose of a vaccine is to introduce a weakened microbe or a part of it to trigger an immune response from the body and to create appropriate antibodies to fight against the foreign body. These antibodies are also generated when the actual microbe infects the body. So it could be following any of the below mentioned mechanism. One is where weakened or neutralized or dead microbe is introduced. Now, other type of vaccines are nucleic acid vaccines, where an altered DNA or a piece of mRNA is introduced into the body to synthesize a specific protein to trigger immune response. These are considered to be new generation vaccine as it uses our own protein synthesis machinery to translate a viral protein from an mRNA code, and that triggers an immune response. The vaccines created by companies such as Pfizer and Moderna are mRNA vaccines. There are other type of vaccines known as viral vector vaccines. A completely different virus here is introduced into the body, which carries important information to the host cells. This information is presented on the cell surface as proteins or glycoproteins, and this triggers an immune response. This way, the vaccinated individual is kept safe from the adverse effects of the actual virus. Vaccines such as Sputnik, Covaxin, and Covishield are the first type where a deactivated coronavirus is introduced into the body and the body creates antibodies to fight against it. Other COVID vaccines such as Novavax introduces recombinant spike protein. That is, we are saying a part of the virus is introduced into the host body to develop the antibody against it. Pharmaceuticals such as Moderna, in collaboration with National Institute of Health Sciences, have developed mRNA vaccines, where it introduces snippets of coronavirus's RNA, and the host body would use instructions coded in the mRNA molecule to make only the spike protein. And like we saw, when the spike protein attaches to the ACE2 receptors, it triggers an immune response and the body fights back by preparing the antibodies. Now, you may be having many other questions about RT-PCR and workings of different tests. We shall be covering this in detail in other videos that we upload. If you like the 3D model of COVID, be sure to check out more of our 3D content and more videos about other science topics. Thank you.